Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you some of the best VPN extension for the Chrome. The first one is ExpressVPN. Known for its fast speeds and strong security features, ExpressVPN offers a Chrome extension that is easy to use and provides a secure browsing experience. Second is NordVPN. NordVPN is another popular choice, offering a Chrome extension that provides excellent privacy and security features along with fast connection speeds. And the third is CyberGhost. CyberGhost offers a user-friendly Chrome extension with features like a blocking, malware protection, and automatic HTTPS redirection. And the fourth one is Surfshark. Surfshark's Chrome extension is known for its ease of use and strong security features, including a built-in ad blocker and malware scanner. And this is it, guys. These are the best VPN extension for the Chrome 2024. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.